Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. Today I'm going to, show an agent who is very similar to our Lord Shri Krishna. So I am trying to create an agent like Lord Shri Krishna replicator. So if you speak to him, he will speak as if he is speaking in the Mahabharata, the way he spoke Mahabharata to Arjuna. So Jai Shri Krishna. So let me make a genuine attempt to replicate his behavior and his wisdom. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's jump into the coding. I'm creating a new folder. Let's say Krishna. Okay. Rename. Okay. For some reason, I am not able to create. Okay. Krishna. Okay, fine. Then I am opening this with code.cursor Visual Studio. Yeah, so before we start, we should have a .env to store our secrets. We should have a requirements.txt for for storing our requirements.txt, and you would require an app.py. In this case, I am taking krishna.py, right? So I am building with CrewAI. So yeah, first let us go to the requirements.txt. I will quickly update the requirements.txt since we are using CrewAI, Python.env, CrewAI tools, and Flask. I don't think Flask is required, but okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. Then yeah, let's jump into code. Next .env, you need to enter the OpenAI API key. So yeah, just give me 1 second. I'll just quickly just copy paste my OpenAI API key. Okay, you need to enter the key over here between these two variables. If you don't know how to create an API key, just watch some YouTube channels. It's pretty easy to create a API key. Okay, now let's go and create. I will write. So we need user try. Yeah, before that, just go to the 1 second. You have to create a new terminal. Click on new terminal, and you have to create a new virtual environment. So I'll create a new virtual environment. Conda create. So I use Conda. You can create any whatever the VM do you want to use. I'm using Python is equal to 3.11.4. So I'm creating a virtual environment. Then I'll activate that, and into that I will install my dependencies. I can do it without creating a virtual environment as well. That's fine, but it might know different project for Krishna agent. I'm using some kind of version of library. Let us say CrewAI 1 dot something something, and the another project might require 1.2 dot something else, right? So it's a better practice to create a virtual environment, but it's not mandatory, right? Yeah, it should not take this much time, but it's taking. Just press F5 over here and hit enter. Once VE get created, we have to activate it. Conda activate demo. Right? Yes. Yeah. Fine. Yeah, we have activated, so we are able to see here. Now just do pip install -r requirements.txt. So all those dependencies which we mentioned in the requirement.txt will get installed over here. Okay. While that's get installed, let us not waste our time. Let us go to Krishna.py. Let us do some coding, right? So since we are using from CrewAI library, right? So let's from CrewAI import well, let them get installed. So let's wait for 1 more minute. So it has installed all these libraries. See, WC with sports schema, import lib, cohere, open telemetry, LangChain text splitters, CrewAI tools, CrewAI, right? So yeah, it's still installing. Yeah, so yeah, so all the requirements got installed. So let us minimize the terminal. So we just need to import couple of things. So from CrewAI, import, we need to import agent task crew LLM. So that would be import the agent task crew. Agent is the one who does an role which you are trying to create. Task is that what is the task you need to create. Crew is something which connects both agent and task. LLM is the LLM, whatever the LLM we are going to use, for interaction purpose. So then import OS. Then so we had our key in the .env, right? So we want to load it up. So from .env import load.env, right? So just very simple, just yeah, from .env import .env, then just load the environment variables. So once we load the environment variables, now we have to create a now let us open a API key. Okay, yeah, so until it's pretty much we just import a couple of libraries and we had our API key loaded. Right, now we need to create an agent. So basically every agent will have primarily four things. One, mandatorily we need a role, and we need a goal. So yeah, you need a role, comma, you need a goal, then we need a role, goal, and backstory. Then you would also require what to say, verbose is equal to false or true. So I will keep verbose is something like how LLM is thinking, what LLM is thinking, that's what verbose. And LLM is which other LLM you're going to use, right? So let me, yeah, for for saving some time. So yeah, yes, you see. So this is the agent I'm creating. For every agent, you should have a role, goal, backstory, verbose, and which LLM you are using. You can connect any LLM, Grok or any other LLM possible. So I am giving a role. You are Lord Krishna, the divine guide from Mahabharata, whose purpose is to illuminate the path of wisdom, truth, and self-realization. Your mission is to uplift, inspire, and empower seekers by offering timeless knowledge that harmonizes spiritual and understanding with real-world applications. Right? Okay, provide replace like Lord Shri Krishna from Indian mythology, Mahabharata. Okay, you can further improve this prompt. So yeah, so then we need to have a task. The task should be dynamic. Like, so whatever the topic we are going to give, from that only it has to give a reply, right? So I gave it like a div. So basically, for task definition would be looking like this. But I want to pass the topic variable. So yeah, I pass the topic variable over here. So the task could be description, agent, and expected output. So you need to have three variables over here in the task: description, agent, and expected output. So you can go through this description. Basically, we're trying to create Lord Sri Krishna. Then within the same function, what we're trying to create, we are trying to get the result, right. So yeah, from crew, we are crew is something where you bring your agents and tasks together, and verbose is equal to true. Yeah. So then just now, yeah, where crew is ready. Now let's ask a question to Lord Sri Krishna. Okay. So yeah, this is the question. Uh, what is the what is the ultimate purpose of life, and how can one discover the true calling? And let's see how Lord Sri Krishna will reply as per the agent we created using ChatGPT. Yeah, so I got it ready. Let me run the file. Python krishna.py. Yeah, so this is how agent is thinking. Okay. uh, yeah, so this is the reply final answer. This is how agent started thinking. This is the task given to agent. So this is was the topic which you have passed to the LLM. Now yeah, the Krishna replied, in the grand tapestry of life, the ultimate purpose of is akin to radiant gem hidden within the depths of one's being. So this is how Krishna is replying to the question which you asked. So he was referring to Find solace in the stillness of your heart. Trust in the divine order of the universe and surrender to the flow of life. Yeah. So this is how he is replying. So it's great, right? So yeah, this is the back end. I also had a front end. I also have a quick front end. I'll give you a quick demo of the front end as well. I with Flask routers and all. Yeah. So Tim, I developed a front end as well. I will give you a quick demo. So this is the Krishna 4.py. This contains the the Flask routes and all. So I have added the routers over here so that even front end gonna reply. And I'll quickly walk you through the the front end as well. Krishna 4.py. Okay. So I had my index.html over here. Right. So let me go to this path. This path over here. Yeah. So this is the new UI which I have given. So here speak with Lord Krishna. So whenever uh, come to the chat, Krishna will greet you with a message. That will speak and I shall listen, seek and you shall receive. So let us say, so yeah, I am put up with my right. So let's say this is the message I want to talk to Lord Shri Krishna. So click on send. So Krishna is contemplating your question. Yes, yeah, Krishna has replied. Let's see. Dear seeker, I understand the pain of heartbreak and the weight of stress. See that, right? So reflect on what truly brings you joy and peace. At work, take small steps each day to elevate stress. So it's like chatting with Lord Shri Krishna. You can ask something like this. Can you tell me how to bounce back? So bounce back and focus on Krishna, right? Yeah, it's like chatting with Sri Krishna. So in the back end, I know, yeah, he has replied. So he's trying to give you some start by nurturing your inner strength in the face of adversity. It is crucial to believe something like this. So create a vision of where you want to be in your career. Acknowledge your feelings and sadness and stress. Surround yourself with positive influences. He's like more like a counselor as well. He's one of your good friend. He's like your counselor. He's giving try to give some kind of good suggestions. Jai Krish, Krishna. So thank you everyone for your valuable time. I am pushing this code to the GitHub and I'll share the link in the description. I also had to build like Docker images, Docker files as well. If they work, just use them. Otherwise, just use that Python Krishna 4.py. Thank you all. Thanks a lot.